na tutakuwa tunajisaidia sisi wenyewe. We also create employment.
Abalimi bekemeligi avocado gochamo kwerigeria echiro.
Karibu sana mwanchu murigeria bono togochaka herombe egosira serikali ikoragwamo no chief ipo mheshimiwa Silvana Osoro mujumbe wensemo ya North Mugirango Josh Nyamoko mwakilishi wa basubati ya county ya Nyamira Jerusha Momanyi negati ya MCA kurwa county yo nigo bagendera chi campaign choko mwa okoboko murwandiria we kiama kya UDA asoba choriboke Francis Amenya
Baukwana asumuyega ime ya Nyairanga ase ward ya Kerenyo nigo bagendera gotebanga niga bamenye baranyore amagendero lyoka ekero baramusire Dr. William Ruto ase ogwakira umurwaniriri o UDA ekura asobocho lyobo bolebosi muri Nyarike Mbunde ange
Sangapi Sa chinzindi nigo chiabwa tanse ekirerombe gosira serikali nse chama ya UDA gekora wano Mosque Silvana Osoro omubunge ho North Mugirango Mosque Josh Nyamoko mo women representative we county ya Nyamira Mosque Jerusha Momanyi babeke kambi eriyo kwenekian omurai wense Dr. William Ruto bagendere gosabanga nyore nchiranere umugusiara orokingana to Mosque Ruto wakire kura omurwande UDA asoba jori bobo kena bachori bonde bagendeta steward cha Nyansiyongora Nyamaiya
Bone karaja kumwake simeo tena bono na nchire ngota kumusangi lero murocho berikien ebikoro tobyoga begete obya soga de chiusira mazumuriza yo sorna roja njoma lete mo okay usema namuka ile Keregese mo ya ukwana kwa naga mutare kolete president ira. Ekiagara asebo no iga omwanje to mwanje president ya Kenya no yomo. Nero bwate ekebeti ya Kenya. Nero kwa mwanga ya kobara. Gosi integrere. No mueminjere president kwa kitando teyo. Mueminjere ekele tenye to ya tigere. Bono yakara musamura nayo anyore bitaba to bara bioga. Elebia go sele bole. Mheshimiwa Nyamoko atake kwa mite president bono iga Nyamira University la kwa gajuga North Mugirango ekwame etenene
ekereke kioni igwesero yabe kwabosio ekero abamenyi boigo bagendera kokera uya bwetaro yabaraya banene be serikali be kiama kya UDA
yani ayoga ite mo mongwana ringo bugakya amataro gete mubuko kiabe gete mubuko Bona ayoga ite ngana ari Mugirango ga kwa umuntu gusa ngende bukiringa kwa yeye
Baito wekabanyara gatamu wekabanyara gachumi wekabanyara gatukai wekabanyara mu nyumba atiyoke buya katwagizani ake kura
Bosio bobo chori obako kagere ko bachitariki 25 igo murwaneria uyo UDA Francis Amenya agendera ko yakire kokona
kubasaba no kabako ko mosi kolengana runa mumonyete mwaro mu suma nawe na bere ngotengeria lakini no mogoko ngakisire chiachire tingo tengeri bono
Steven Nyarike Mbunde Nyairanga North Mugirango county ya Nyamira
Oskabesio abaliki gwetania emerongevere kurwa sorgongo rwa gusi nigo banyorire amaigelio ya matuko abere me county ya Kisii kura sekiombe gya Sikom kobwatirana nekiombe gya ISF naboigo Mangahat
nigo hasegi karekyo hokobori wa kwarurwe gochiase habatendere babariki kwenekia nkonyora bare amaigerio amaikirano ayora cheko bakonya se emeroberio yabo yabutambe
egati yabaliki
ekiombe
nigo bagokera amaigerio ayo ase bateba nigo barachiko yatumika asobokoreri bwabo obwakera litko muri gito Petro Machini na mange
ekiombe getari ge serikali ge Sikom na nekiombe gya International Charity Foundation ISF naboigo Mangahat nigo barairege karo kya matukabere amuna basaki weta ne 20 ya county ya Kisii Edeko basomya igoro yogo kura oburikibwa mangana yechisegi chiginka nabo igogo sarwa ko mwana munyaruka gukwana maiga yo gwikirania egikarikyo nigo mutenderwe kiombe kyo gya Seacom Stella Choki aereiro byaboreo sabari rakoraria manganayo na kwaigwa ribaga gukwandraria bagwetera semirimo yabo yabotambe.
Tumekuwa na training journalist na waandishi wa habari ambayo ilianza tangu jana ili kuwa mambo ya gender responsive budgeting, na kwamba tumezungumzia mambo ya trauma informed care, kwa sababu tumeona kwamba wanapofanya kazi hii wanapitia stress, depression, pressure nyingi ya kazi ambayo inahitaji nao pia wapate muda kupumzika. Na tumeona kwamba katika kazi, katika kazi zetu tunaona kwamba tukuwe na policy ambayo inasaidia wetu nao wakati kupumzika, ndipo hata wakifanya kazi waweze kufanya kazi ambayo haiwezi leta dhuluma na stigma kwa watu wengine.
Nengana ya kubako na service ya jenda county ya Kisii ila tundra asaturi amaigiri ya aikire ni gwakira chingaki erigo konya abarikiabo
esetwa abeire to gusangamo na abami bakorega CSC amagana yobo liki bwa magana cha gutangasa ose practitioners media industry basomirwa magana gender based violence basomirwa magana ya au sikatena magana ya gender based violence boigo banyolire abamanyi sa magana ya afya yabo kiakili their mental ese basomirwa buna mental health ere ya muhimu ese egasi yabo na koinyori boigo na barabumba neti koinyora afya yabo ya mental health ese asiabo egere ntonyora abantu bakotwara stress nechi changamoto chinde chi out of stress na burnout uchovu mingi wegasi eye bateko affect even their families and even their health.
Igati yabariki nigo bagokire na kwera inchira maigiriyo arachikuba konya aso gwikirania mirimo yabo tambe.
Ningependa kusema kwamba haya mafunzo ambayo waandishi tumepokea hii leo kwa siku mbili yamekuwa ni mafunzo ya muhimu sana, haswa kwa kutuelekeza jinsi ya kuripoti mambo mbalimbali ambayo yanahusu watoto na wanawake haswa, lakini ni jamii nzima, lakini hao ndio wale ambao wamepewa kipaumbele katika masuala haya. Kwa hivyo ni mafunzo muhimu sana ambayo yatatupea upeo mzuri wa kuripoti mambo kama hayo.
Magiria yo na yengenjo gocha sabariki abanya bakonyora asamatukabire yo mucyobosongo asebono arakunyaka bakonya cinjira bakubeka mangana kuripotira Ensoko TV kuroiga omucyobosongo cinigonkorwa Pethuel Machin.
Tukusikabusio mwancho murigereria mujumbe wensemo ya bunge ya West Mogirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka oibo igora se komiti yerichiko ase bunge nene nigobono aina kirenga ekina kiabekire nainde ase kegambere kenene kwamereria okoriko kwa wanyanyimbo tikebwati nguru chinde chonsi ase keri hakoeranga ekine kyo nigo gyatuguterwa isiko higonge nchendeteyo gekoeraniwa nainde boya ase ekoti eyo
Kaukwana ekero kyogo chakia amagacho yoboraro bwaboro kigwa ba KMTC obo boraire chi million chi mibere na 200 ase gekakyo mwaka oyomo nigo Mogaka asabira muteneneri bweli chiko Dorcas Odor agende kigambere kenene na koerera ekotinga omona chekina wekerengo ekemo tagwanchirana ekina omona chionde balekerenge ekemo abete kagwanchirana mulikito Steven Nyariki Mbunde na roboti oro
Nase homoyega bogo sioriari genario bwagachi bwe nyomba choboraro asaboroki wabanyamira KMTC echikagere goche kwera chiringi chi milioni 220 ejo chiragacho aseka kyo mwaka oyomo asomoyega oikeranetweno mubungo West Stephen Mogaka aiga Stephen Mogaka agatumeka ribagerio kweranga kikambiro ngeyo keronjorori kona chwa wekina igoro yokori kwa kobanya nyimbo ekerobone kina kende kirwa se kagambiro na inde
na hii nazungumza kama wakili na mjumbe ambaye anakaa katika kamati ya haki kule bunge. Na koti ikishafanya uamuzi, haiwezi kufungua tena kesi ingine juu ya kile ambacho uamuzi umetolewa. The case of recruitment of police officers has already been determined by the High Court of Kenya, and a judgment has been rendered. No High Court has any business to obtain another case about the same issue and purport to give an injunction stopping the recruitment of youth to be officers of the police. Katika kamati ya bunge ninasema mahakama, tafadhali jiheshimu, mheshimiwe.
Kerege kioni komugakagire bokongu gati y'abarayi korwagusi ababere bakumuramu murayi wense William asakweranga na seki bakumurama hekeraretira magendero ayigusi
n'abali baruke n'obukanabuya no president yensi uko mukutano wa inkobyunure kwara president yensi, and I want to thank the president for ignoring all those who are hurling insults at him. Those are planned diversionary tactics so that you get distracted from focusing on the delivery of service and you get engaged in the dirty business of exchanging insults. I'm a learned lawyer and I don't belong to that club.
Ase siasa cha Nyamaiya nigo mubunge moga karenge na haya
bono uyo ukire epati yane mugusio ino ukire epati yane aende tindikwera mura gungwasa mesi nabongo urukire tenga tikatolende ground ngina abasoroliye bono mahatabwo kansala ichuko kansala kengere ekero chikura togwaka Nyamayaria mwanche lietario mugusio liri kururwo cha mahataria ibaisa ko soye sikeime ankina ankyo mutimotebe ngantu amanyiti. And I want to urge my colleagues who are elected in their respective parties. I'm elected under the Jubilee ticket, the MP who supports the government of Dr. William Ruto. As our party Jubilee starts organizing itself, please, we request those who are mourning louder than the bereaved to keep off, because party iko na wenyewe.
Stephen Nyarikembonde, Nsoko TV West Mugirango, county ya Nyamira.
Ekiombe giokorwania obukurumi kia EACC nigo kiaruro gukurera konene gukia asaba Kenya utarwari aki ekerabono kuliko kwa banyanyimbo gukageire guchaka bwangoiga.
Wetera soroboti ruaye umutendirio monene gwekiombe kyo giokorwania obukurumi gia EACC orwa obose rwasomwa na boigo Eric Ngumbi nigo bonate abegati ya Bible nigo bakonya chinibo cyabo hose gwetera emechango elio kuira abana babo banyarako baba gweta kwenyorera emirime yo egendo gigoichania mono buna gotomanya umurikito Debora Kirubo.
Ekiombe giokorwania obukurumi kia EACC nigo kiaruro gukurera konene gukia sabe Kenya gutarwaria ki ekerobono kuliko kwa banyanyimbo gukageire guchaka bwangoiga gwetera soro butiro yomuteneri bwekiombe giokorwania obukurumi nigo rwasomwa na Eric Ngumbi abwasate babuna igatia Bible nigo bakonya chini butyabo gusego kole mechango elio kolikia abana babo engana yabere yo goichania mono.
Yes, mass recruitment. The commission has received reports of parents and the guardians resorting to fundraising, selling family land, and sometimes exhausting life savings in desperate attempts to secure admission for their children by bribing public officials. The Commission reminds the public that bribery in police recruitment has the potential to undermine merit, competence and accountability, with consequences that extend beyond the individual recruit to the society that they eventually serve when they finally finish their training and are deployed in various functional areas to discharge police duty.
Kiombe kyo nigo giakurira basae witanga kurwa saba kurumia bo bakobariere ira yo kobarike meremo na kugikiria okorwa kwa maki asebona tebabuna amaki niga gusirio boene no boroso asense moyo kurikia abanyanyimbo Mahmud niga boria baiboli na basae wakorobote cia bisi cia EACC asebona babisabye bagoche kurikia abanyanyimbo baboliwe gutanjira na koira maki.
That the commission urges the public to desist from any form of bribery in the upcoming recruitment process. Candidates should not offer any bribe, gift or other favors to influence that recruitment. And any such case of in the recruitment process immediately reported to EACC or other relevant authorities.
Ekiombekio nigo kiagenderete kwirania chibese cia Kenya icho cia Sirita State County na kwire gitambakiro asaba kurumi asebono baruro gukuriro konene guchia sonde bwensi yogutumika certificate chitari chiekene asebaratie kwirania engeria yabo.
That have been paid under illegal contracts, including tenders that have been awarded to individuals and entities through fraud and a conflict of interest. Supportive jurisprudence emerging from our courts is that where a tender is tainted with fraud, any public money that is paid pursuant thereto is recoverable in full, regardless of whether the work has been done.
Deborah Kirbo, Ensoko TV.
Tukosikabosio mwancho morigaria serikali yense ya Kenya wetera se wizara ya mangana yechinse cheisco rituko yarero nigo yabwatoka horoboti igoro yeri chiko erikobwatirania ense ya Kenya na boigo chinse cheisco.
Oroboti uru rukuruigwa arakane aso mwaka wetera umwaziri Musalia Mudavadi nigara ukubwatuka kwa oroboti uru asiboigwa kwanera ogonchereria imeyense ya Uganda no goitwa kwa mworokia imeyense ya Tanzania. Mulikito Linet Nyambane na mange
gokwana kurwa ase amagacha manene ye wizare yo mwaziri wa mangana yechinse cheisco Musalia Mudavadi waenekirie ense ya Kenya nigegendrete kubwaterana nechinse cheisco ase chisekta ao.
Over the past few months, the ministry has had several engagements that speak to the 8 thematic areas of Kenya's foreign policy, including peace and security, diaspora diplomacy, economic and commercial diplomacy, oceans and blue economy, environment and climate change diplomacy, science, technology and innovation, as well as socio-cultural diplomacy.
Chinga kiechecho wizara eyo nigo yakwaneire igoro yogochererwa kwa baigereri b'abanyabantu Bob Njagi no mwabo Collins oyo imeyense ya Buganda abo babwatugetwe bwangoiga.
Immense importance to our relationship with our neighbors. We do not interfere with the political processes in these countries. The right to political participation is one of those rights that is germane in the province of citizens of those countries. Kenyans do not vote in Uganda. Kenyans do not vote in Tanzania. It is the role of the citizens of those countries. But lastly, on the comment again by President Museveni, my response was with respect to his assertion that these gentlemen were placed on a freezer or something like that. That's what I was saying was a metaphor. As to the reason for their arrest, I think that is very, very clear. They were arrested because of being part and parcel of a political campaign of the opposition or on behalf of the opposition in Uganda, something that I think the Ugandans could have felt falls outside the domain of their rights.
Nonye nabo wizara yo yaenekeirie eamate yomorokia oraswa imeyense ya Tanzania na gusiria obugima bwae chinga kichobo chori bwense yo una nige goche kwenekia nkonyora bare obwene bwabo.
Ensuring that we can be able to get back the mortal remains of our compatriot. We want to assure the family that we will not rest. Our mission in Port-au-Prince is also working very, very closely with communities and with religious leaders to be able to implore the gangs who may, in one way or another, be holding his body to release it to the Haitian National Police and onward to the Kenyan deployment. And we have not received any mortal remains of Kenyans. We have not had information with respect to funds transferred to families from beneficiaries. With respect to the oppression, answer is, just like the Prime Cabinet Secretary mentioned, there is an ongoing trial.
Nigoboigo baruro gusegeta gocha saba Kenya bakogenda chinse cheisiko gokora emeremo korengana nerichiko rie chinse cho bakogenda.
Productive mobility, productive mobility, so that you are going there for a positive purpose, to contribute to the economy, contribute to your well-being, and contribute to your country's economy. So maybe that's the phrase we might want to start familiarizing ourselves with.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV kurugaiga asomucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gagendereire kubasorora abamenye bensemo ya Ukamba ni bagenderere komwa okoboko asiganga yae yokwenekia amagendero imiyense
kago kwana kurwa sensemo ya wote asacha kebene hetara ya matukata to imense me ya Bukamba echo Chirechi County chamakweni Kitui amona Machakos Ruto ni gobono aira libagerio na yokurotota amagendero hasoro gongorwe hegati yabo obwagachi bwe chinyomba chie ligorirense na boigo chibicha aba chibose chinde ba chiamache bunago tumanya umurikito Deborah Kerubo.
Etaro ya matuko anayo murai bwense William Ruto imeyoro gongorwa Bukamba nigo yacha kabene litsko lya rero.
Mimi nataka niwaulize watu wa Makueni, kuna serikali nyingine kukumia hapa Makueni, mnasema tuendelee na kazi ama watu mnataka watuletee ukabila?
Ruto nigaba bolia komusia irikolenta magendero chinse mechio asaba bolia kwebekale nabarayi bali bako yemererie serikali yaye nigara koretaro ya Sech County cha Makueni Kitui amona Machakos nigaba lireira yogo chikorenta magendero Sech County echo asaigora bene baraya kasikeu na Mikuyu chingakia cha kyobwaga chibwe baraya emali ukia orogongorwa Kibwezi boigo nigarwa chitaito dir chiri bwibere mia ya mone 40 guchia saba menyi bense meyo.
Wale majamaa wengine ni watu akili yao inaanzia kwa ukabila, inapitia kwa chuki, inaishia hapo kwa mambo ya ukabila. Nyinyi mnataka endelee na hiyo barabara. Sasa kama mtu asubuhi, jioni chuki, jioni ingine shares. Sijui. Sijui. Hiyo watu tutawazamisha asubuhi ama tutawangojea? Asubuhi na nini?
Sensemo nyomba chirigo lilianse nigo murai bwense arwa chibilioni kominemo echo chigo chiasogwaga chibwe nyomba chiribusato boigo nigarwa chimilioni 50 ebere echo chigo chikwaga chichiro 10 imeye kaunti ya Makueni.
Tumepatia pesa shilingi bilioni 11 Makueni County. Tunawajengea nyumba 3,000 ya kwanza. Nyumba 3,000 ya kwanza inaendelea. Mimi naenda kuzianzisha kule Makueni, kule wote siku ya leo. Na tuko nazo sehemu mbalimbali. Soko, tunajenga soko 10 mpya hapa Makueni. Soko ya hapa kwenu ya Kasikeu, mimi najua ya kwamba tayari tuko na contractor, tutawaletea ajenge soko hapa na tutawapatia milioni 70 ya kujenga soko hapa Kasikeu.
Nigobo igaba bolia bamenyi benseme yokogenderera kwelikia asomoroberio sha asabane kirio kurwali gwana konyora mayo batali gwakana besende yonsi. Alfred Mtua Uyoro waziri oleba niga moko bokomora iwense asoko gendera korense merobero ya magenderense moyabo kamba.
Na wewe Mheshimiwa Rais, tunajua ya kwamba wewe vile umezunguka nchi yetu ya Kenya. Wakenya wamekuona unafanya kazi na tunajua utaendelea kuunda serikali inayokuja, tuendelee kuweka miradi katika Ukambani. Tunakuomba, tunajua unakuja siku 4, lakini sisi hapa hatuna haraka na wewe. Hata ukikaa wiki moja tuko sawa na wewe. Uendelee kukaa hapa, tunasema mbele iko sawa.
Deborah Kirbo, Ensoko TV.
Tuguskaposio mwanchu murigereria abarimi bekemeri ya avocado kirikia ash nigo bono bachiramo na korosio kiombe kiabo bune nchiremo yogochia korigia echiro ime na isiko yense ya Kenya ekemeri ekyo irigochia gwetanga kurwase chibroka abo bono bakobasariria amagori ye ekemeri ekikiabo.
Okwana imeye wodi ya bomba bebunge ya bomachoge borabu abalimi abo nigo baereire gati mechando bako babagwetera nabo igo gwakambye mono gotia se omobisabu bulimi Richard Ogendo ase okogendera kuba obasemya igoro yekemeri ekyo nabo igo amalioga ibabwenete gutumika ase ogotanga amaroire yekemeri ekyo ya avocado mulikito Caroline Mausa naikira nasinse mecho nabo igo gotwariganira roboti rokobwatia.
Abalemi bekemeri gia avocado kemanyikanete buna has avocado nigo babwate bono keri bagochengera magaga yogo chamo na kubwatana eliko ligie chiro imena isiko yense ya Kenya kubwatekana nogo kea kweligori eibare ko baba konia gochia se chibroka.
Miti yenye nimepanda sahi kwa shamba is around over 400 trees. Niko na plani ya kuongeza sababu nimeona faida yake. Like the last 2 harvest nimetoa nilikuwa nafuna kilo 1,000 plus which is a ton and over.
Wetera sekiombe kiageti cha Hasa Avocado Cooperative Society nigo bona abalemi banyoreri bagari abene lyo gwesemya igoro yogo simeka nabo igo gutumika kwa maliogo gochia sekemeri ekyo nabo igo chinchira cyo kolenda liroba.
Kwenda tusukuma sana ndio kuanzisha sako ya geti cha Hasa Avocado Cooperative Society, kwamba tuligundua kuna brokers wengi sana katika hii biashara, na brokers wakija kununua, unajua wao pia wanataka kutengeneza faida kutoka kwa ile kazi wanafanya. So ikabidi tukaanza wase kama 8, tukafikiria tukasema ni afadhali tuungane wakulima wote wa avocado, tuweke chama ambacho kitakuwa kitusaidia katika uuzaji wa mimea. We have been trying as a cooperative, as a SACCO, to get how we can reach even His Excellency the Governor, so that tumuelezee shida zetu as the farmers, atusaidie kututafutia space, hata tuweke pack house mahali tutakuwa tunafanya mambo yetu, parking na kila kitu ready for export. If we do that, our product will be marketable, haitakuwa inaharibika, na tutakuwa tunajisaidia sisi wenyewe. We'll also create employment and other things.
As a ministry, we are trying to tunawafundisha spray program na madawa ambayo wanastahili kutumia. Madawa inafanya kazi. Ile madawa inatumika kwa avocado inafanya kazi. What is important is to follow the recommendations ya dawa. The intervention ambayo tunafuata, tunajaribu ni kuimprove soil fertility. Tulipoona ile farm ya huko chini, mliona ni kama haina hizo nini, hizo pasture mites kama hii. Haina sana. Why? Ukikombea pale chini na hapa, pale ni more fertile. So when there is more fertility, hata hizi pasture mites zinakuwa suppressed.
Boigo maseneto machore cio kenyuri ni garuro gochika gochase ewizara y'oburemi enyare ko bage kubwaterana na koreta umuroberio erigo ikira abaremi gocharia se chinsemo ase binyoroime eribabe bakubasemia igoro yo gosimeka ekemerie kekia has avocado na baigo chinchera babwente ko baba gochirenda anene mono baigo ko barigeria echiro.
Wish to appeal to the Ministry of Agriculture through the Agricultural Extension Service officers. We even have a bill in the Senate that we are supporting that seeks to establish a framework through which these services can be effectively offered at national and county levels. We wish to appeal to the ministry to intervene in that case so that we have our Agricultural Extension Service officers go down to where the farmers are, because through the local administration we know where the farmers are. That is the channel we used when distributing, so that we're able to support farmers, make money through supporting, through growing of the Hass avocado in this region. We need to really conduct enough civic education for farmers to know of what benefit the Hass avocado has.
Korua abo machoge ginko ripoteria Mayane Soko TV rieteria Nemausa Caroline.
Ase ritko ria gatatu ni gabamenye be county ya Nyamira anene mono bali be ward ya township banyora ebirole bya busa bya maiso ase bali ngoligwa boigo amaiso boigo nigo baba kolengwa amaroire elikonyora obugwene.
Ase hobo rwanderie webyombe bitari bya serikali bya Philemon Morara APMI Foundation, Douglas Oruta Resource Foundation, Living Hospital, Light Hope Initiative ninya gitari ya Enoch niko bono bainikia umubaro monene bwa menya abo bare no bare mabo sobo chan muchando yo bwa maison konyara bare obobwenia unagotomanyo muri kito Steven Nyariki.
Aseri tukoria gatatu nigo mubaro monene bwesokya bwamenyi be ward ya township konyoro bobweni bwabosa bwa maiso obwaliganiri nebyombe bitari bya serikali bya Morara APMI Foundation, Douglas Orutwa uyo manyekene Resource Foundation, Living Hospital, Right and Hope Initiative nabayigo kubwatakana nenyagitari yo munyagitari Enoch mnenjereyemo yo kwendera kwirane okoboko wase amate anene mono bari abasiriri amaiso ase banyora libagali yo kwenyorera ibirore nabayigo bosemi
Philemon Morara APMI una resource adebire a program to bwata iga is a free eye clinic moroje buna bananchi egasi yansire buya bari bayiwe birole bachireka abande mbandirete gocha igo yene gas to gokora asoko give back to the community una tu ara chire itukuria gatatu iga igo tu anyorire obokongwo bonene ora se county yaito abando barware ta maiso nyagetari yo bate birenga 80% ya bano
Douglas Rutonka Oseli Sosa tubwatira ase program ye tugende twakonyera abantu baito leo ne litukuria gatatu chi partners tubwatira in this program so yo minto Philemon Morara APMI Foundation ya Noel to work together ne foundation yane tubwatira kabageni Sabara Unit Hospital Light Up avuna konya bantu na nto bwatera ndene nyegeta nere una gasturega iga Enoch nyegetari ya nere sa na nto bwatera ndene kabisa asobo pima bantu pressure na gopima magana yesukari each part na jinga tu abeto okana na barufu kormai.
Cosmas Zuma, I'm the founder and CEO of Light and Hope Initiative. We are based in Nairobi, and since July we've been doing vision screening in several parts of the country in different counties, and today we are privileged to be here in Nyamira County. This is our third day of screening, and the last 2 days we've been able to screen over 1,000 people. And in other places we've been going, we've been finding like about 3 to 10% of people we screen are the ones who need the vision screening glasses. But here it's a bit different. we've been able to see that over 80% of the people that we screen here, they need the vision glasses.
Bagokwana ekerekyo ni igobo ene kiringa gati yemechando yabeirege koba mono hasa maiso na mona obotumeki bwerioki anene mono chingo ase chichikoni igento kiagerere habange babo amaisabo gukora
bono rende na botokora abantu baito mbato bokombwa maiso na inde abantu ababwata maiso services bako no gochekwa maiso oyo konyoro bwate problem ya atakire biroroewa for free tari wakana
mono ogotumia chinko ne erioki ase chikicha chirichire poorly ventilated smoking twanyora nonyonye tu konywe sigara oyo more koma konywe sigara na masoma inaro basomi
korengana n'abamenyi abari bakwana n'Ensoko TV igobereire obuya banyareko bagosirwa ase birore byabosa na kweranga mbare gosoma bukura kini ase bono mbare ne kibakogokera mbache ko baba kogendera gosoma buya
chibuno mulisia kwenye na strain it so much aso gosoma lingana ne Nyasaye na gosome lesson na kulika lakini na irane ilio yo minto morara piemi nelisosa ngambu ya mona asinge njugo tokorora ngambu ya toletere birore
Philemon Morapiemi oyukorie kirugo kyo seneta se county ya Nyamira na boigo Douglas Orutonke Orisosa oyukorie kirugo kyabo gichora imeye bunge ya West Mogranko nigo komo babire bakobeke 2 yega iriyo kwene kingango konya bare ya Matebosio Steven Nyarikembonde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira.
Oino murikito Steven Nyariki Embunde kurwase county ya Nyamira mwancho murigeria wikiragwo no tuikira omwerio bwemesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato asobot koboiga tukumwakira mwancho murigeria sengencho sangire na intwe kurutwa chageta semesa yama yakuru Ensoko ensa emo twaso ensemeria yeringana riekemoya na bono tuikira omweria semesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isato tukugandira robot kobuya kurende tutaragenda mbarabya bagendete bose babwatiriria maya yakuru Ensoko
ndobwata mashabiki aito kegima agosto kubarukanga batiotereria Ounga Zuarez agatanga na batiotereria ndobwate Wilberforce agatebanga we are all locked to Ensoko TV as a family. My daughter's Madeline atanganere password ya daddy Glarians agatanga alongside my wife Gladys from Nyangoge ime county ya Nyamira. By the way neri shabikiri kongo kabisa okonyaranga Ensoko TV ante inga mbali kulimi remote mbali gokuna biyamana sana Wilberforce ase okoba rishabikirita ngatenga ntuchito chake ko baibi yego by the way
bari bakubwateriria sana ntuchitonge twa omoyo
igatebi password ya dadinga ntuchitomoretere egedizadi
wango ya buno mwanchumo igeria na bange asengejo chujumbe ntoko chisoma tochikore kurende bari baira chinga kichabo togotebanga mbuya mono toko bakira mbuya mono bari kibaito bamangana naboigo habatu bwatesia kurwa sensemo ya kabere brana chaka uyorenga se chikamera toldi naboigo director Zaki bakobwatirana na Joshua Nyauma kuri studio ya kabere baene kiribuna mario gine chibicha ngochara senchirengia toro tukobya nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi
na nchenkoro kwa Frida Kerubo toimerane ekero Nyasaye aranja